Hello, everybody. Welcome to Easy Project Management. This is a platform where we'll be doing project management. It's a channel you can trust. Let's go. So, today we'll be doing project management. The introduction to project management. What is project management to be specific? So, my name is Wisford Choka. Let's go along. So, our first thing that you're going to have is understanding our objectives that we are going to have in this one. So we have what is a project, we have characteristics of a project, we have project management. Lastly, we have purposes of projects. Now let's go. What is a project? So we are saying a project can be defined as a temporary endeavor undertaken or designed to create or to produce a unique product, service, or result with a defined beginning and end. So in short, we are saying a project, it is something that is temporary in nature, which should have a specific time and end date for it to be called a project. So we are saying to say, projects are distinct from ongoing operations as they have a clear beginning and end date. Let's understand what do you mean by an operation. So we're saying an operation refers to the ongoing activities of an organization that are performed to sustain its day-to-day functions. They are repetitive in nature. So an operation will be there over and over since the organization is in existence forever. But for a project, it's only there for a short period of time. We proceed. So we are saying characteristics of a project as our next objective. So we have project is unique. What do you mean by project is unique? So we are saying a project is unique in such as it aims to deliver. It aims to deliver something that has not been done before or has not been done in the same way. I'm sure we've seen things that has been brought into our existence, into our eyes that we've never seen before. That is uniqueness, extraordinary, something that was not there. So you're saying it involves creating a one-of-a-kind outcome or result. For example, the one we have here, building a new bridge in a city is a unique. Since we never had a bridge in a city and then it has been brought in the city, then it's a unique project. For example, we have here a building which is built in a city which it wasn't there. It will be called a unique project. It is an extraordinary project because it was not there and it has been brought there. We've got the next one. We're saying project is temporary. What do you mean by temporary? So you're saying a project is temporary in nature. That means it has a specific start and finish dates. Meaning that these projects, the two focal points, two focal words that we can have here is start and finish. Meaning a project is short in nature. It doesn't prolong forever, but it has got start and finish date for it to be called a project, for it to be done. So they're saying once the project objectives are achieved or the project deadline is reached, the project is considered complete. For example, organizing an international conference may have a duration of 6 months from beginning to execution. So once the conference is successfully concluded, the project is closed. We call it a temporary project. We proceed to the next. So we're saying project risk and uncertainties. Projects are bound to risk and uncertainties. What do you mean by this? We're saying projects inherently involve risks and uncertainties. We're saying projects, they are bound to risk. Risk has been there for years and they keep on inheriting these risks. So we are saying project management involves identifying and managing these risks to minimize their impact on the project. Once as a project manager, you are given a task to manage a project. You have to foresee, you have to look ahead, and Imagine having risk, what kind of risk, and tackling them properly as you embark on that project. So for instance, a research project aiming to develop a new drug to cure a disease may face uncertainties related to the effectiveness of the drug or regulatory approvals. For example, we had diseases, a lot of diseases that we've been having, coronavirus, we've been having Ebola. Those are diseases where professionals, doctors, specialists trying to embark on developing a drug to cure all those diseases. They have to foresee the future. They have to foresee the risk. How, if we make this drug, is it going to cure the people? Those are the risks that one has to put in place. We proceed to the next. We are saying projects are independent or are interdependent tasks. So you're saying projects consist of various interdependent tasks or activities that need to be executed in a specific sequence. The completion of one task often depends on the successful completion of preceding tasks. We have, for example, you're saying in a construction project, laying the foundation is a prerequisite for erecting the walls. So you can't have the windows, you can't have the roof without erecting the walls. So you have to start from down. So once one task is done, that's when the other task can be done. So we are saying they're interdependent. They depend on one another. Projects depend on one step or on one task to the other until projects are completed. We go to the next part of what is project management. What do you understand by project management? So we are saying project management as a profession, we are saying is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to meet project requirements. This is a definition given to us by Project Management Institute. Project management, application of knowledge. So once knowledge is applied, once skills have been applied, once tools have been put and applied, it is called project management. It involves planning, organizing, executing, controlling, and closing activities to achieve project goals while considering constraints such as time, cost, scope, quality, and resources. So for project management, you have to start from the top. We have initiation, we go to planning, there, we go to execution there, we go to controlling there, as these two happen at the same time, and then we go to the last one, which is crossing. We proceed to the next. Now we talk about purposes for projects. Why are projects important? So we are saying the projects or the purposes of projects can vary depending on the specific context and industry. However, some common purposes for projects include, one of it is that product development. That's a purpose. That's why projects are important for product development. So projects are often undertaken to develop new products or enhance existing ones. So for example, a technology company may initiate a project to develop a new software application. For example, a new phone being put in place. For example, a new airplane being brought and putting other software in it. That is product development. The other part, we are saying infrastructure development. So projects can be initiated to build or improve infrastructure such as roads, bridges, airports, or power plants. These projects aim to meet the growing needs of society and enhance economic development. The other one is that the purpose of having projects, they help in organizational change. So projects are frequently used to drive organizational change initiatives. For instance, implementing a new enterprise resource planning ERP service or restructuring business processes may require a project-based approach. Once an organization is running, they want to bring up something for the organization. They will call that enterprise resource planning for something to come in place. Then the other one we have got research and development. So projects play a crucial role in research and development activities across various industries. They enable organizations to explore new technologies, conducting experiments, and innovative. So once research and development, people come together, they do embark on projects that involve various industries in order to develop activities that help the surrounding. Event planning. Projects are commonly used for planning and executing events such as conferences, exhibition, weddings as well, or even festivals. So saying these projects involve coordinating various aspects like venue, selection, logistics, marketing, and participant management. The project manager will be in charge of project manager and the project team, of course. Since there's a project and a project team, these people will be in charge of looking for the venue, looking at the logistics, marketing, and people who will be participating, people who will be coming for the event, and all that. And then the other part is that project improvement or the process of improvement. We are saying process improvement. Projects can be initiated to improve existing processes within an organization. This could involve streamlining workflows, reducing costs, enhancing quality, or increasing efficiency. So process improvement, for example, in a factory, the machine is not performing well. You remove it and bring something else so that what? Reducing costs so that costs can go high, you can increase efficiency, improving that as a what? As a project. The other part we're saying social impacts or environmental conservation. So these projects aim to create a positive impact on society. Once social impacts are put in place, environmental conservation, environmental consideration and development, we are saying projects can be undertaken for social causes such as community development and healthcare initiative. These are our objectives of our main topic of today, and we have a simple and simpler task that you have to do. So I believe we can have to tackle these ones. So let's test your understanding on the topic covered above. Share with me your answers in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's see the answers in the comment section for these only two questions, as it is a simplified task. For more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. See you next time.